General Secretary Gorbachev, if you seek peace, if you seek prosperity for the Soviet Union and Eastern Europe, if you seek liberalization, come here to this gate. Mr. Gorbachev, open this gate.
He was a top machine, he kept America clean. Reagan was the best president we had ever seen. He had the fighting eyes, telling us no lies. Knocking commies out with our American GIs. Smoking more than our share, Challenger exploding in air. He told us to come, but we were already there. Berlin Wall starts falling, the oil was pumping, our punk was rocking, and we were making it.
And you, Mr. Gorbachev, yeah, you, tear down this wall.
Reaganomics time on the freedom line. Atari's one of a kind. Miss Pac-Man's mine, all mine. Oliver North on pause, just a hockey game. Won the miracle on ice, and still wanting more. Had to cool us down and watch some SNL. Reagan's back in the ring to make a taxing swing. Berlin Wall starts falling, the oil was pumping, our punk was rocking, and we were making it.
And you, Mr. Gorbachev, yeah, you, tear down this wall.
Mr. Gorbachev, tear down this wall.